Hello everyone, I'm CheCo and you might have realised I'm not wearing a lav microphone today. That's because I'm testing this new bad boy over here. This is the Moman EM1 USB condenser microphone and RF30 isolation chip, and these are my first impressions. I have been using them for a couple of weeks now, including my setup tour 2022 and a couple of reels for Instagram, including the unboxing of the Moman microphone and shield itself. And this is a brilliant piece of kit if you want to make YouTube videos like myself here. If you want to make streams, you can hook it to a microphone arm and have it like boom around here. You can use it for podcasts, Zoom meetings, and you don't need to use it just with a computer. They're compatible with PC, Macs, Linux computers, PlayStation, Xbox, and if you've got an Android phone, because it's USB, you can just straight out plug it into your phone and use it to record podcasts in your phone if you really want to. As the name implies, this is the EM1 USB condenser microphone, and all the power, all the data go through one single cable. No phantom power, nothing from that style. Everything goes straight from the USB. For audio monitoring, you can use it on your dedicated software, or they got a 3.5mm jack. If you remember from previous video, 3.5mm jack need to be there, yes or yes. So right now I'm monitoring everything with my racers, and I got a straight link connected to that 3.5mm jack, and I have tested it all and listened to myself, make sure all the levels are correct, or with latency free. Talking about levels, in the device itself, they've got a gain wheel itself, so you can adjust the levels in the device itself, not go into the software. So if you got a bit of noise up and down, you can just micro adjust it all straight from the device. And you also got a mute button in the device itself. So if you're using this for stream or doing a live chat or anything like that, you can quickly mutate someone come in the room, or if you've got something to do, a phone call, anything, you can single button, mute it all, ready to roll. Right now it's a meter, it's about a meter away from me. Just let me know in the comments below, but I believe for what I can see in the monitor and what I can see in editing software, I hope it sounds very crispy. And I'm not an audio engineer, I don't really know what all this means, so I'm gonna leave all the specifications just right here. You can pause the video, you can read it all about, or you can go to the website moman.com and just found it there and found all the other ranges of microphones they sell as well. And that's all about that EM1 condenser microphone USB. It's all metal build. It looks really nice. It sounds, hopefully, for what I can see in the waveforms down here, for what I can see in previous videos, it does sound very crisp. But let's go for the RF30. Let's talk about the RF30 for a bit. Many people got acoustic panels all around and they look cool. Instagram pictures look very nice, and some gaming setups down there look very nice. But I think what I got here, I don't really want to put any black or white or any weird squares all around. So this is probably the perfect setup for me to reduce all the echo, because I'm in a very big room. I'm filming this in my living room and I'm talking straight to the wall that way. Phone here, microphone is here with the shield, so hopefully that's getting rid of all the reverbs and echo this room can make, to be honest. So yeah, probably the RF30 isolation shield from Moman is the best solution for me right now. And probably for you as well, if you don't want to put sound panels everywhere or have another type of intrusive big booths that some people got. This is a folding device, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. You fold it all together into a square and you just put it back in your filming bag or wherever you keep all your stuff, and once you need it, just get it out, open it back up again, and it's ready to go. And even if I have this on my desk right now, the way it looks is well built with ABS plastic, and the foam is Evo foam or Evo foam. It looks very nice, it looks very slick, and I can easily just have it over here in the corner of my setup. It would look quite cool, to be honest. I'm just going to read you straight from the website what they say about the RF30 isolation shield. Moman RF30 utilizes 3 layers noise barrier that specifically reduce sound reflection. Sound waves are absorbed by the absorbing layer, which inhibits sound reflection. Sound that cannot be absorbed are weakened by the filter layers, and the reflecting layers reduce background noise while maintaining sound clarity. So if that doesn't say it all, I don't know what else can say it. This is just also nice. Probably for this setup right here is perfect. Straight there. As I said, it's 1 meter away from me. Build quality is awesome. It's super compact. You can just fold it all together, put it away, open it back, put it in a stand whenever you want to use it. But yeah, this is my first impressions on the Moman EM1 condenser microphone and RF30 isolation shield. But for the price, you can find the Moman EM1 microphone and RF30 isolation shield as a pack. I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out. The prices keep changing all the time. It's about like 70 quid for both, or £40 just for the microphone and another £35 just for the shield. But as I said, links below, prices keep changing all the time. I hope you like this type of short form video, just a quick first impressions on this awesome piece of kit. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, press that bell to receive notifications for future videos. I'm CheCo Tech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I can do cars. Alright, with the Formula 1.